silent ball to learn the words for our new topic. So, the rules. You are silent. Silent.
Silent.
Except when you say the word.
When you say the words.
Fantastic. First rule, silence. There can be other rules like clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
Stand on one leg.
Stand on one leg.
Okay, so when you catch the ball, you need to say one of the words from our topic. Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Jacket.
Suit. Tie.
Shirt.
Shoes. Okay. Remember, if you don't catch it, you're out. And if you throw badly, you are out. Now, I want you to clap your hands before you catch, and you have 5 seconds to say the word.
Okay.
And you cannot repeat the same word as somebody else. So, clap, 5 seconds, no repeating. Okay? All good?
Yes.
Trousers.
Oh! You didn't clap, you're out.
Trousers.
No!
Oh!
You're out. Thank you. Alicia, you start. You did it! So, Alicia, it's me and you. Okay.
Shirt.
Trousers.
Oh! We have a winner!
Well done. And you can continue like that and add in different rules and add sentences and you can play it at the end to revise your vocabulary as well. Have fun!